there are a couple of ways to capture a screenshot on this phone. The first method is by using the power button and volume down. If you press both of these buttons at the same time, you will capture a screenshot, and you have the preview over here and editing tool here. The second method is by using palm swipe gesture. So with your hand like this, you can move from left to right or from right to left to also capture a screenshot. There we go. And the third method is by using quick settings. You can swipe from the top towards the middle like this on the right side. You might want to unfold this panel in order to find the take screenshot option. If you don't have it anywhere over here, then you want to press this pen icon in the top right corner, press edit, and then in available buttons you should be able to find it somewhere. Tap on it on the button in order to add it. You can also press and hold the finger to change the position, and press down twice in the top right corner. If you press this button, the quick settings panel will hide and you will capture the screenshot. If the palm swipe gesture doesn't work for you, then you want to go to settings, scroll down to go to advanced features, then go to motions and gestures, and over here we have palm swipe to capture. Make sure that it is enabled. You can also perform the partial screenshot or selective screenshot. In order to do so, first we need to use one of the methods that I had shown you. There we go. And then we need to edit. And here we can find these corners, these white corners. We can use them in order to crop the screenshot and capture only the selected area that we want to capture. And once you are done, you can press this arrow in the bottom right corner. And there is also a long screenshot that can be done in apps in which you can scroll, or on websites in which you can scroll. So once again, perform the screenshot. One more time. There we go. And if you have the option to perform the scrolling screenshot, then you can use these arrows over here in the bottom left corner, and you can keep scrolling like that until you are done with this screenshot. Now you can tap anywhere in order to close it, or tap on the preview in order to open it, for example by using gallery. You can zoom in order to scroll on the screenshot. Check this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, subscribe.